Okay, so we will be looking at this problem alternating digit sum. You are given a positive integer n. Each digit of n has a sign according to the following rules. The most significant digit is assigned a positive sign. Each other digit has an opposite sign to its adjacent digits. Return the sum of all the digits with their corresponding sign. So for example, consider 5 to 1. So it starts with plus 5, then minus 2, and then plus 1 over here in the explanation, and you get the result as 4. Similarly, if you have to look at this 886996 answer, you start with plus 8 followed by minus 8 plus 6 minus 9 and so on to get a result. Okay, so my initial approach was to be able to grab each and every digit. Yes, because we need to perform operation on each digit. So I have done is I've converted this 5 to 1 into string. I've then split it using a split method so that I can get an array, and then I called the reduce function on it and then performed the operation inside it. So let me just write the solution over here. Okay, so let me call my output variable as output, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the toString method on it, which then I will call the split method to split it into into an array item. Then I'm going to call the reduce method on it. Now reduce method accepts the result, all the accumulator. I'm calling it result over here, which is of type number. Then I'm calling my current value as current. Over here it is of type string. Why? Because my array is of type string. And then I also get an index. I would require this index because I want to find out whether my digit is on the uh, positive uh, modulus 2 or uh, is it if whether it is an even number or an odd number. And then I'm calling my arrow function over here. Let me pass the initial value as 0. Now what I need to do is I need to update result every time. So I'm going to call result plus equal to, and I have to figure out whether I need to add the current value or I need to subtract the current value. Now this will be based on a condition. So I'm going to write condition over here. So here the condition would be whether index mod 2 is equal to 0. So if it is an even number, I have to add. If it is an even position, then I have to add. If it is on the odd position, then I need to subtract. And then I need to return the result over here. Okay. And let me return the output. And let me submit this. Okay. So it ran on 58 milliseconds. Okay.